Fennec Fox walked onward through the woods. All of his attempts to build a house had failed, and this made him very sad. Suddenly, he heard some cheerful chirping. Fennec Fox stopped and looked up.
Hi, Fennec Fox. Have you seen any rowan bushes nearby by chance? The rowan is very tasty this year.
Hello, Bird. Unfortunately, I haven't. Bird, will you please tell me where you will live during winter?
I've made a nest in the branches of a large oak. And you?
I still have no home to wait out the winter in, and I'm looking for someone who will help me to build one. Can you give me some advice?
Sure, Fennec Fox. I'll show you how to build a nest. You need to find some good sticks. Find and fasten them together. Add some more sticks here. The nest is almost ready. To keep you warmer in the winter, gather dry leaves and put them between the gaps in the sticks. Let's add some more leaves. We've built a real nest. Fennec Fox, you can move in. I'll go to look for some rowan. Bye!
Thank you, Bird. Have a nice day. It's time to move into my nest. Ah, in here it's so cozy and warm. Yeah, this is what I needed. Let's sleep for a while. Building houses all day was hard work.
But as soon as Fennec Fox curled up, the branch under the nest cracked and broke.
Oh no, I'm homeless again. Foxes can't live in nests either.
And yet again, Fennec Fox walked through the woods, trying to find someone who would help him build a house. All of a sudden, he saw unfamiliar tracks on one of the forest paths.
I've never seen such tracks before. Whose could they be? Who left these tracks? Let's follow them and find out.
Fennec Fox followed the tracks out to a clearing in the woods and saw Red Fox.
Hello, Fox. Can you please tell me if these are your tracks on the path?
Hello, Fennec Fox. Didn't you guess right away? When you grow up, you'll have the same tracks.
Wow. Fox, can I ask you for some advice?
Sure. How can I help you?
I wanted to build a house to wait out the winter, but I failed. I piled up rocks with beetle, built a lodge with beaver, and made a nest with bird. But all my houses broke down and I'm left with nothing.
Silly little Fennec Fox. You should have looked for me first. I would have quickly taught you. You and I are foxes, and foxes make dens and live underground. It's warm, cozy, and safe in our dens. Let's go to that hill. It's a perfect place to dig a den. Here's the perfect place for the entrance to your den. Start digging with your paws. You need to dig a big den so you can invite a lot of guests. You need to make space for storing food for the long winter. Let's add a room to rest and play. Well done! You've dug a den just like an adult fox. Now it's time to get ready for winter. You can host a tea party for all of your friends at this table. You'll need a lot of food. The winter will be long. A soft bed of leaves. That's what you need for good rest. Fennec Fox, now it's cozy and comfortable in your den. Let's prepare a nice dinner and invite your friends to our housewarming party.
Bird loves sweet rowan. Hedgehog likes ripe apples and mushrooms. Beaver likes to sharpen his teeth with tree bark and sticks. Beetle likes to eat green leaves. Dinner's ready. Now I need to send the invitations to my friends. That's right. Here is where Beetle and I piled up rocks. That's right. Beaver and I built a lodge near the dam. That's right. Bird made a nest for me on the large tree. That's right. I met Hedgehog on the forest path. I've sent invitations to all my friends. It's time to set the table.
So that's how our little Fennec Fox built himself a house and found friends who often came to visit him during the winter. They gathered around the large table, drank tea, and listened to how the harsh winter winds sang outside. And of course, they wondered about what adventures awaited them for next summer.